the concept of infinity. Just want to make a note here, quick note, so you can expand it later on. First of all, infinity cannot give birth to anything else. Because whatever the infinity give birth to, it's already in infinity. It's already included. And it cannot be born of. Infinity cannot be created. Because whatever creates infinity is the same as the infinity. So the creator and its creation, when we're looking at infinity, are the same thing. So infinity cannot create anything because whatever it creates, it already included in infinity at its original state. That's one thing. Another thing I want to mention here is that, when Abdu'l Baha talks about the physical reality, he says that the material universe, the physical reality, now we just assuming that he's talking about, the whole physical reality, which is basically tantamount to universe, let's say. He says that the physical reality is infinitesimal compared to the spiritual realm, right? That's what he says. So that is itself, we can get a few things out of it. First of all, he goes on and says that the physical universe or the physical realm is infinite. Then he says that it's infinitesimal compared to the spiritual realm, which is also infinite. Now, can we have a smaller infinity and a bigger infinity, greater infinity? I don't think so. Infinity is infinity from any direction, and it has no origin. If there is an origin, that infinity is limited. It's not true infinity. It has a center. When it's just there, that's a true infinity. So when we are talking about here, infinity related to the material universe, it has to be a relative term. It is not a true or absolute infinity, it's relative. Then we can take one more step and say maybe even the spiritual realm, which is infinite, that also is relative. And then the total state of creation, the whole of the creation, it's called the contingent realm. It's contingent, it's conditional upon a cause. That is also relative. When we call that infinite, it's infinite in all aspects. That's also relative. So when we are talking about a universe that we can never encompass, we can never grasp in this totality, that's relative infinity. However, when Abdul Baha says in another place that if the all the other worlds, all the other realms revolve around this one, this physical realm, this physical universe. So this physical universe is like the interior core, the very core of this, if we call this is the whole of the contingent realm, called the contingent realm as a system. We look at it as a system. That's the very core. And it's infinite. Relatively speaking, from our point of view, our vantage point, of course, it's infinite. But if we happen to step into a higher consciousness that is not limited, that doesn't have limitations, conditionings, and we have here, then this infinity is no longer a true infinity. It's relatively vast, but it's not infinite. In the true sense of the word, the true meaning of the word infinite. Okay? So I think that's enough, and we can think about this later on.